What's up guys, Ravindra Joisa here, and today I'm going to talk about editing those incredible landscape shots using Lightroom and how can you make your landscape photos look extremely well when compared to any other photos that you have already captured. So the first thing that you need to remember is to capture images in RAW. Even if it's not in RAW, you can still follow this method. So before I go any further, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be sharing videos of this kind every week, and also don't forget to check out the card above where you'll find a lot of Lightroom tutorials that I've already uploaded. So go ahead, subscribe to my channel. I'll be sharing videos of this kind every week. Guys, we all want to get those incredible landscape shots, and here is how you edit those images. It's not just about capturing image, but it also includes some 20 to 25% of it goes to editing the image. So here is how you edit it. Open Lightroom, select the image that is to be edited, and go to Develop module. Make sure to import the RAW file. NEF stands for the Nikon format. Same applies to other cameras. You can even import JPEG file. Now go to lens correction and enable profile corrections. Here is the before and after enabling. The profile will be selected automatically based on the image properties. Next is the camera calibration. You can select the default version here and then select the camera landscape profile. As you can see in the image, there is a huge difference between the flat raw image and once the profile is selected. Go to the basic module, and here you can adjust all of these, the exposure, highlight, shadows and everything, but I will select the auto mode, which is easier and it will be the starting point for me to start with the editing. You can now see some details in the sky. Once you select the auto mode, what it has done is it has decreased the highlights and increased the shadows. The bright sky appeared much more white before. Now you can see some details in it. The landscape image that you see might not be perfectly horizontal, so make sure that it is perfectly horizontal. You can check the previous video that I had uploaded in the card above to know more details on the cropping. Next is the dehaze option, which is under effects tab. Increase the dehaze option to remove any kind of haze in the image. Next I go back to basic module and increase the clarity a bit. Next I use the graduated filter to bring in more texture in the sky. I will select the region from top to bottom and then decrease the highlights and a bit of exposure. I can even increase the temperature or decrease temperature to make the image look cold or warm. In this image, for example, make sure that the mountains are not selected when you increase or decrease the temperature, or else the mountain will appear blue or orange. So to avoid this, you'll have to use range mask. You can check out the card above where I've already explained in a separate video. Hit the tab key to check the before and after editing an image. You can either stop editing here and export the image if you're satisfied, or you can go for further editing. Here I would like to increase the brightness of this mule that you see. So I use the adjustment brush and then select the area which is to be brightened. I select the brush tool to do this, and I use the erase tool to mark any excess area that I have selected. Once this is selected, I'll increase the shadows a bit, and then if needed, then I'll increase the exposure. Well, I can use the toggle button to see how it looks before and after editing the mule. So this is the before and after editing the entire image. It's now ready to be exported. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. So go ahead, smash that like button if you like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos of this kind. Check out the cards above for videos and tutorials and travel videos. And leave a comment below if you have any queries related to photo editing.